Neeraj, I want to talk about the utility part of crypto, where I can use cryptocurrencies to pay for things like coffee and milk and things like that. Daily purchases, grocery. When I met Sumit in 2018 for the first time, and obviously we had a great interaction, and I subsequently traveled to the US, one of the coffee chains there was allowing me to pay through crypto in their app. It was an experiment. It was only 2-3 stores in the US nation that they were experimenting, and in a particular city, especially Las Vegas, they were doing this. Do you see that crypto can become a utility payment tool, just like fiat currency, that I go to a grocery shop, scan, pay through cryptocurrency?
See, I think the government should control the currencies, right? I strongly believe that, because it's a major function of the government, and a lot of complexities are involved in the management of currencies, macroeconomic as well as microeconomic factors. That's what I believe. So, of course, fiat currencies can be released on the crypto and blockchain technology, right? Which we call CBDCs. So, central bank digital currencies. That should happen, but and the CBDCs can be used for payments, right? For sure. But I believe it should be a part of the larger, macroeconomic central bank currencies. That it should not. I don't think Bitcoin should become a mainstream currency, because it has a lot of limitations, when it comes to, yeah.
That's a fair answer. By the way, when he also says Bitcoin, he's not representing Bitcoin. He's just saying it because we use it on a daily parlance, right, Neeraj? So let me ask you this. Now, what is the role of, again, the finance professionals, right? Yes, now we've told them that, look, yes, you guys can understand the taxation part of crypto. You can understand the technology part of crypto. We also brought in the treasury part of crypto, which they can now advise their companies to move their treasury, a part of the treasury, towards crypto trading if they wanted, or hedge against risk in crypto. What else can they do?
They can start investing.
That's so true. Yeah. What else? What else do you think, apart from investing also, what else can they do?
Sure. So a lot of things. I mean, crypto is very evolving space, right? It's at its very nascent phase right now, and finance professionals, of course, can get into get a little more deeply involved with the crypto assets. There are concepts like decentralized finance, right? You might have heard. Decentralized finance is where crypto has enabled similar financial functions, financial services like lending, borrowing, etc., in a completely decentralized manner, removing all the middlemen, right? Which is much more efficient way of executing business. It's cost effective, right? So I think finance professionals should get into deep, a little more deeper into crypto, understand the emerging trends of DeFi, of NFT markets, of how the regulations are evolving across the globe, right? Not just in India, but across the globe. It's a global industry after all, right? As well as, I think finance professionals has also a role to play when we want to mainstream crypto into the economy, right? Because people like, say, my father, myself, earlier, we used to rely on what our say chartered accountants, how they will guide us. Most of the people do not understand, how to invest money, right? But crypto represents a good way to diversify. You don't want to, right? We invest in stocks, invest in gold. A certain portfolio should can also go into, depending on the risk appetite, should also go into the crypto as an emerging asset class, right? So I think education and mainstreaming crypto becomes an important aspect, right? We launched a platform called DCX Learn, specifically for this purpose, where professionals can spend time, read deeper aspects of crypto, how it works, what does investing in crypto mean, how to evaluate tokens and assets. Like crypto has a lot of assets, right, as I mentioned. So how to evaluate tokens and aspects, what are the parameters to consider, right? For investment, how to evaluate the technology, how to evaluate the team, how to evaluate the direction of the industry, etc. Right? So it's very handy for finance professionals. I think that's where it's a good starting point.
Nice.
So I think finance professionals has a great role to play here, a bigger role.